Did you know that each of our ministers have two state-sponsored houses? One in Pretoria and one in Cape Town. That's because there's a parliament in Pretoria and there's a parliament in Cape Town. The average cost of a state-sponsored house for a minister in Cape Town is 4.4 million rand. The average cost for a state-sponsored house in Pretoria is 2.2 million rand. I vote for cutting out Parliament in Cape Town. They can turn that into a museum or a library or a conference venue or something and just move the whole operation to Pretoria. That would save us so much money, not just on this double accommodation costs for ministers, but so many other things. Guys, fuck off to Pretoria. Just go there and stay there and save our money. Save the taxpayers' money.